Welcome in, Meta fam. We got an action-packed video, so hope you're ready for it. Let's get into it. First, thank you everyone to follow me. We have now pushed over 5,200 followers on Twitter. Thank you all very much. First thing first, we got to start out with "In George We Trust." That's right. Everyone's like, George is quiet. Where's George? Where's George? Well, just as little as one sentence can get everyone a little excited. And he's tweeted out here this morning, "Great to be back in the Capitol." That's right, guys. It looks like he is down here in D.C. And this was at 1:10 a.m. he flew in here, guys. So we're expecting that he flew in from Canada to come down here and deal with this Mmtlp, the FINRA fraud situation. And George is here, guys. So this is very exciting. Like I said, this is, "In George We Trust." Cannot wait to see what else goes with that. All right, got to give a huge props out to, of course, John Berta. He gets the Berta we trust because he has been nonstop pounding the table on the FINRA fraud, Mmtlp, NextBridge debacle. And I tweeted out here the NextBridge Twitter for the metamaterials here, and John Berta says it's official. So he retweeted my post. Thank you, John Berta, for that. And here's the metamaterials post of the distribution of NextBridge hydrocarbon shares. We get here to the metamaterials press release, and it does say metamaterials completes distribution of NextBridge hydrocarbons common shares. Here it says, as previously disclosed, holders of Series A preferred stock in Meta at the close of business on December 12th, 2022 will receive one share of NextBridge hydrocarbon common stock for each Series A preferred share pursuant to process set forth in the prospectus. So there it is. John Berta also tweeted out, guys, that NextBridge Hydrocarbons has their official Twitter account. That's right. So give them a follow. Don't expect anything on this Twitter other than press release. Also, the website is live. We go over here to the NextBridge Hydrocarbons Twitter account. Like I said, being this is going to be a private company, it will not be publicly traded. It'll be public reporting. So this is probably what they need to do with 60,000 shareholders. They're going to have a Twitter account for press releases, and they'll have the website where they'll probably put press releases and stuff as well. And already, guys, you can see here, they have over 3,500 followers. That is, shareholders here of NextBridge Hydrocarbons. And if we go up here to like their background here, sorry, I just drew a blank there. 134,000 continuous gross acres in the Oro Grande project. Here it says NextBridge Hydrocarbons is an energy company engaged in the acquisition, exploration, and exploitation and development of oil and natural gas properties in the United States. Our primary focus has been developing interest in the Oro Grande Basin in West Texas, located in Husband County, Texas. All right, and guys, we talked about this, and it's official. The website is back. I'm going to deactivate the camera real quick. You can see up there top, we got the home, we got management, we got investors. So this is exciting, guys. We'll just scroll through this page here real quick. Let me get the camera back. It says we are an energy company engaged in the acquisition, exploration, exploitation, oil and natural gas properties in the United States. Our primary focus, I think that's pretty much what it says. Here it says, in development, interest in oil and natural gas projects we hold in the Oro Grande Basin, Texas. In addition, we may consider various strategic options, including partnering with or possible sale of any or all of our assets to third parties. That's exciting to hear. Either way, I'm happy, guys. If they want to partner with someone and develop the land, I'll be happy if they want to send us some dividends. Of course, we'll be really happy if there is a buyer of the third-party buyer involved, which is what we think it could be. For example, we think ExxonMobil is up there in the top. That'd be real exciting. So that's what's currently on the website. There'll be a huge press release if this does happen. Here you can see we got a little bit of the drone footage here. Experienced people, project focused. And I have to maybe compare this to the old one and see what's different. Now, I just wanted to cover this part for this video. We still can go over the management and the investor part. That's probably where they'll post the press releases and stuff like that. All right, Jimmy Ray Powers. Just noticed this. This looks like it's Weeble, guys. So it says here now, actually look better like this. Mmtlp WB, and it actually says NextBridge Hydrocarbons. Very interesting. That's, I think, the first brokerage I've seen that shows NextBridge hydrocarbons listed, because I looked at my trade station, nothing. I looked at my Fidelity, nothing. All right. John Berta says, we talked about this ham short killer here, had this post out last night, how he hooked up John Berta with a top naked short selling lawyer. Let's see if they can work together. Well, John Berta reported back, just had a great call with Wes. Sent the info. Thanks, ham short killer. We'll keep everyone informed. Guys, stuff is happening. Trust me, stuff is happening. All right, Jeffrey Christensen, over here on Twitter, man. He says he just ended a phone call with a contact in the Senate. They have not heard of this till now. Sent them all of the smoky stock documentation, which I have that pinned to my Twitter, my personal trade account screenshots, Defender screenshots, and John Berta 2 interview links. Data going into Senate Banking and Finance Committee now. Guys, that is exciting. Thank you, Jeffrey, for this. He did put a post down here. He has, should state persons are going to have information as we spoke, recognize the issues. This is what we do for my senator, and started emailing other members in data and banking, the finance committee, to get them informed. All right. Hollywood Henry here has a retweet of Peter's, but Peter here has a post. Even though the ticker was wrong in the message, it's clear. Make sure the economy works for everyone, not just Wall Street. We got MMTLP, MMAT, FINRA fraud. Here we go. United States Senate. Dear Peter, thank you for contacting me about recent events that took place in the financial markets. I appreciate you taking time to share your views with me. The events around trading stock MMAT and similar cases raise important issues about how markets and trading platforms function. Guys, this is Debbie here, United States Senator. This is exciting to see. This is what we want to see. Senators getting on this, guys. The more people we make aware about this is great. As we go back here, Hollywood Henry says, whoa, it's working. Fairmarketsnow.org. People are starting to receive responses from our letter campaign to Congress. That is amazing. All right, John Berta retweeted us here from Jose. Jose here posted this picture. My placeholder at IBKR is being lent out by the last 3 lenders. Here it has stock short, SLB availability, MMTLP.CNT, and here it has number of lender inventories 3. Current rate 23.96%. How can they lend out a private company? That is exactly here what John Berta says. How do you lend out shares in a private company? Exactly, guys. This is some illegal, crazy stuff going on out here in the markets, and I'm glad people's being made aware of it. All right. This is huge for MMAT, guys. Ehor says here, the highest stock borrow fees with short interest over 50 million. Look who's number 1 on that list, guys. Look who's number 1 up there. Metamaterials, that's right. Ticker symbol MMAT. Short interest percent of float is 15.66%. S3 short interest of float is 13.54%. 117% fee with a $72 million short interest. Look at here, I posted MMAT number 1 short borrow fee, 117%. They need our shares. All right, Michael Walker sent me a couple screenshots here. I wanted to show them to you. So this here was in his, this was his first trade account. Yes, first trade. And this one here is where it shows MMTLP. And we got this here where it shows his now MO74526. And I believe this is just like them putting the CUSIP number on it as a placeholder number, so that way they can keep track of it. That's just what I think there. But wanted to share that. I didn't have anything from first trade, I believe. So definitely wanted to share that information out there. We got a lot of information out in today's video. I will put out a small little video of a clip that I found as well. I just figured I'd put that as a separate video. It's kind of interesting. Get thoughts and opinions on it, and we will go from there. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below, and I'll catch you on next video, guys. Peace.